Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. And for those of you who missed like the promotion last time for the GearWrench ratchet set, Amazon is currently having on discount again for $82.50. This set's gonna come with 4 ratchets. As you can see, the dimensions here and the specs here: 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2. And it also includes a 3/8 drive Stubby ratchet. Click on here, see more details of ratchet itself. Okay, we can click on here, see some of the review.
And doing a review on the GearWrench 120 XP. These things are beasts. These are pretty fantastic. I thought these were gonna be.
Okay, we're not gonna watch all that. Okay, so let's see some of the comments that they have. If you were to buy single ones, look at this is how much you would be spending. $39, $45. You add all the ups. Now it's only $82. Okay, if you have Prime, it's gonna be free. I myself, I haven't used GearWrench. I only have like Craftsman. So, but for the price, I think it's a good deal. So if I don't know when the promotion is gonna end. So if you guys like the tools, want to check it out, I'll leave the links below. Okay. So you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you, and have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.